Hey, what's up, Vic? What y'all think? Ready to do this? Got the dinner bell ready for the pigs this weekend. We'll be back Sunday. Hopefully there'll be 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in here.
Oh yeah, in the ham closet.
We'll see how it goes. We're gonna go out here and put the rest of this out. See if we can get us a hog this evening. You ready, Vic?
Mm-hmm.
Justice, right?
Yeah.
Pig justice. Tearing our feeder up. Boy Rick down here from New York, getting it done, son. Yeah, baby.
It was great. It was just phenomenal. Thank you again for your
Dude, I'm glad you were able to come down, man.
I
Fuck.
appreciate you guys more than you know, bro.
Oh, they've been rooting the shit out of this since the last time I came in here, dude.
Right over here.
They tore this area. This wasn't even tore up when I put this feeder out here.
Dude, I know. Look at it. All out of here.
They're ripping this shit. Looks like somebody drove through here. Isn't that tire tracks?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Where's that wheelbarrow trucks?
Oh, maybe it is. That's weird.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is. Looks like tire tracks, though. I don't know who the hell would have been up in here. Maybe it's just boot tracks.
Yeah.
Damn, that is a big bitch. Holy fuck.
You ain't kidding.
Man, that's a big old poor hog, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, he's got some cutters on him, boy. Nice, dude. Well, congrats, man.
Yeah,
that's
buddy,
awesome,
thank you.
dude.
Thank you, brother.
Good shit, man. Good shit.
Y'all, I come down here on the first day we're here.
Look how beautiful it is out here, man.
You ain't kidding.
This is what it's all about. Right here, man.